Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As the title of the video says, today we're going to do a sleek ponytail on natural hair. Kindly keep watching to see how we transform this person to this girl right here. Yes, it's a simple hairdo, so let's keep watching to see how we achieve this look.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
So to start off with the process, you have to make sure your products are ready. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel with olive oil. I'm also going to be using combs, detangling brushes, ponytail holders, more combs, more gel, and more combs. And also an oil, which is very important for you to have. I'll tell you why in a few, guys, so please keep watching. So I'm starting off with a stretched hair, not really stretched because I had 2 cornrows on it. My hair is not that clean. I wouldn't lie to you and tell you it's clean hair. It's not. And the reason why I'm not doing it on clean hair is because these are a lot of products we're going to apply on the hair. I didn't want to apply all this gel and then be forced to wash it, and I've not planned for that. So since my wash day is near, that is why I'm doing this hairstyle. And then I'm going to just wash it off how I had planned my schedule. So yes, so here I'm just coming in with my oil and just applying it to my head. As I said, oil is very important. I'll tell you why. This is the first reason why. You're applying a lot of products on your hair, so you have to make sure your hair is a bit protected, if not very protected. So just come in with your oil and apply it before you even start applying the gels and everything you're going to be using. So after applying my oil, I'm going to section my hair into 3 parts. So just be sure how you want your ponytail to be. I didn't want mine as a middle part, I just wanted it on the side. So I'm going to section the hair at that part, the left side, a small bit of hair, because that is where my line or my sectioning will be for the ponytail. Secure it and just put it aside. Do that to the other side as well, the right side. Now my right side. Yes, that is what I'm doing. Just section it carefully and then just put it aside. We'll start working on the back side first, so that is why we're putting this aside, and then we'll come in with these other parts. And yeah, now just make sure your sectioning is okay. I know most of us are not perfect in this, but just make sure you've tried. Yeah, that is mine. I tried. I'm impressed actually. So yeah, so put this part of the hair aside and now start working on the back side. So what we're doing here, I'm just going to detangle the hair. You'll see me detangling my hair a lot in this video because I am a firm believer of working with smooth hair and just avoiding anything that you can avoid. So just detangle your hair. So after detangling, I'm just going to hold it and just see where my ponytail is going to lie. Now on the back side, I'm not going to apply a lot of gel. Actually, I'm just going to apply it on the outer sides. You'll see that on the back and just where the outside part is. Yeah, if that makes sense, you'll see in the video. So that is the only part that I'm going to apply this gel. Why? As I said, it's a lot of product. I just wanted to use enough, not like a lot. I don't want to have a messy head at the end of the day, because also these are style that using gel, it wouldn't hold for that long. At the end of the day, you'll have to just wash it, It's not a hairstyle that I will last a week or 2 with. Maybe a week if you're careful with it, if you know how to take care of your hair. So yeah, so here I'm coming in and just securing that part after applying the gel and smoothing it with using my brush. So yeah, I'm going to use a ponytail holder to just secure it. And after securing it, we're now going to work on the front part. Yeah, don't tighten your hair too much as well. Also, we want to avoid those headaches and everything. Yeah, so just secure it to a level that you're comfortable with. Okay, more detangling. As I said, you'll see me detangling my hair a lot in this video, which is very important. Please make sure your hair is fully detangled. Yeah, so here we're coming in with the right side as well that had more hair than the left side. So what we're going to do, we're just going to section a bit of hair, apply gel, slick it down. I sectioned this hair for only 3 times. Yeah. And also the gel I'm using, I'm just using enough. If you can avoid using a lot, please do just use enough to hold your hair. Yeah. You don't want all that product in your head, trust me. So yes, sectioning again, applying the gel and slicking it down. So I'm going to do this until the hair is fully slicked, and then come in with my brush and just brush the gel in. Yeah, even the smaller combs, you have to make sure you have like smooth lines of the hair going down or on the side that you want it to go. My detangling comb, yeah, please keep your hair detangled, please. Yeah, so here more gel, enough gel. Yeah, so just use enough. Using the brush, I found it worked easier than the combs. So yeah, please do that. And after I did that, detangle again. After detangling, you want to go ahead and secure that part. Yes, exactly like that. So this, it's an easy hairstyle, but it requires a lot of work as well and patience. So just be ready to put on the work to make sure it's slick how you exactly want it to be. To secure the part, after I secured the part, I went ahead and worked on the other side. I won't show you that part here, but I did the same process section by section, and then here we are with the fully hair done. So I've worked on both sides, I've worked on my edges. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in with my scarf. Make sure you have a satin scarf or something close to that. Tie your head and give it a few minutes. After, when I was waiting, I went ahead and worked on my foundation, my a bit of makeup, just a bit of it, to just make the look, the look complete. Yes, so I'm coming in with a fully done face, not fully, but yeah, you get the point. Yeah, so here I am. Now the extension I'm going to use, I bought it at Du Bois. Those in Nairobi and familiar with the area, it's really nice. It's not human per se, it's semi-human. So you have to put on the work also to just make sure it looks nice, you know. Yeah, so what I did for it, I used a detangler to just, I sprinkled a detangler and just ran my fingers through it, and yeah, you'll see how it looks. So here I'm going ahead and just tying a knot just at the hair that we left. Yeah, that is why I was insisting on detangling the hair. You don't want to plait your hair while it's full of, yeah. So just plait your hair, and then we'll come in and just put on our ponytail. Now this ponytail looks like that. Yes, there it is. You'll see it has, it's a drawstring. So when securing it, please make sure that the strings are facing downwards. Yeah, I feel like that gives you more options when it comes to securing it. Yeah, so here we are trying to position it to the right position. So just after you secure it, come in with the strings and wrap them around the bun. Yeah, work is happening down there. You can see. But yeah, so wrap it around the bun. After you do this, you also want to hide. No, before you actually even hide, you have to secure that string with a bobby pin. I didn't have mine ready, so that is what I'm doing there, just looking for them. Have a bobby pin ready with you to secure that part. After you secure, you want to come in with the section of the hair and wrap it around that area as well to just hide that part. And also, many extensions will just show and tell everyone that it's an extension. Even if they know me, I just like hiding that and just making it flawless, you know. So I'm going to also section a part of my hair after I'm done with this and just wrap it around the ponytail, or rather the bun. Yeah, oh gosh, look at that, look. Yeah, so this is the part of the hair I was talking about. Just wrap it around your bun like that to make it, to give it that flawless kind of look, you know. Yes, and you're done. Just that, done. Wait until you see the final look. Yeah. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Please like, give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends. Please comment, give us suggestions, tell us what you think about it. Yes. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. So, oh, one last thing I almost forgot. So I'm also coming in with oil at this part. Yeah. As I said, you have to avoid having flakes, those white things, residue that gel leaves. So please come in with the oil. It helps reduce that. So there you have it. There we have the girl transformed. I really like this look. I wish I was going somewhere. Yeah. I feel it's a look you can just rock attending a wedding, you know, on those Friday, weekend nights, you know. But anyway, hope guys you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with your friends. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.